waterline replacement via pooling technology. We got a high-risk waterline pool from this meter, which has a 1-inch coming out of the crock, up to an inside shutoff valve located behind drywall, very close to a whole bunch of sewers right there. We do have a 3/4 inch coming up through the ground, tying into a shutoff valve right in that hole. You'll notice there's a 3-inch pipe going into the ground right here. We also have a 1.5 or 1.25 drain that is likely going to a sump pump somewhere. So you can see it's a cluster of stuff going on right here. So we need 2 holes. Hole number 1 will be right here. This drywall will be cut up all the way around up to that corner. And then we're going to start jackhammering down 2 foot by 2 foot by 2 foot deep. It has a chance of going 2 or 3 by 3 by 2.5 to 3 feet deep. We have to expose that sewer. We have to expose the water line as it's going in the ground. And the hope is that they will actually separate as they go. So sewer goes this way, water line kind of goes that way, giving us enough room to work. From there, we move on to here, and we jackhammer the concrete around the crock, right around here. Try to get all of that concrete out of there and try to jimmy that crock out of there, pop. Once we get the crock out of there, we should have enough room to work around the water line. If we don't have enough room based off of this small hole, we'll have to create more room by jackhammering first concrete cut around here in order to create enough room for somebody to drop in and then make our connections. Well, we'll do our very best to work from here. I just can't promise that right now. Once we have the 2 holes exposed, we go ahead and install the waterline puller in there. And then we run the brand new water line all the way through underground, 1 inch, all the way up to our intended location. Once we're in there, we install a brand new shutoff valve and a pressure reducing valve. Over here, we reconnect it to the crock or to the water meter and wait for inspection. Following day inspection, once we're done, we go ahead and reinstall the crock, backfill with gravel,